So you got a Corolla Cross Hybrid and you need to jump start it. This is where you're going to do it at. As you can see underneath the hood, there's no battery. It's actually located in the back. I'll show you at the end of the video exactly where the battery is. But if you want to jump start it, you can do it from here. It's actually in the fuse box. So come over here, snap these guys up. Like this, and in the glove box, see this red tab right here? I'm going to flip this over. This is actually the spot where you're going to put the positive jumper cable here. And then you can actually use one of these grounds here, this bolt here, this ground here for the negative, and I'll show you where the rear is, where the rear battery is at. Back here in the hatch area on the right side is where the battery is going to be located. If you go ahead and just pull on this panel here, it's just clipped on with some clips, these red clips here. The battery is located back here. It makes it kind of difficult to jump start because the hatch is electronic. The only way to open it up is to climb on in here and manually open it up. There's a little access panel back there to open it up. So just jump starting in the front will be much easier, or you can run jumper cables from the door back this way if you wanted to. But